I'm the Fox Queen. Yeah.
Vampire Kitten at your service.
Meow.
And I'm Bloodchild, of course.
And we're doing a video to the internet. It's for porn. These are our normal people. Woo!
Normal people.
We have two monkeys though.
Yeah, we do.
Why do we have two monkeys?
I don't
Who cares?
It's Sparrow.
We
got Spyro. We got Spyro. See, Spyro's awesome. Woo! It's a monkey. It's a normal monkey.
Yeah, but really, don't you think we should have like animals first? Like you should have a cat. You, of course, you already have the monkey.
But that's Spyro's better, see? Is it Spyro the bomb?
It's monkey.
Spyro can fly. My monkey can climb a tree. I don't see this climbing a tree.
Monkey dance. It's monkey dance. Shouldn't we be doing the video? Oh, hell no. This is more fun. Okay, forget what we said before. This is officially a stuffed animal fight. I got hurt. But we have monkey boo-boo. I can fly monkey boo-boo. I can flame it. How about this? It's not quite on the table, though. It's right here. It's 2 against 1. It's a monkey versus Spyro. Who will win? Someone from the court.
I need my sparks. Fire! Let's get the fire! Don't you feel the burn?
And several very
Burn, baby, burn!
and several very violent moments later, Spyro comes out on top. The monkeys are dead.
Oh yeah!
And that's
my fault. I'm the king of the world. Monkeys are the king of the world.
That was us having fun. I know we promised you a video, but we'll do that later. We were having too much fun with that one.
Bye-bye.
Bye.